In this video, we are going to be debunking some of the biggest myths around passive income that could be preventing you from growing your own online business. So if you've ever wondered whether earning money passively is just too good to be true, you have to be a special kind of person, then do stick around as we separate facts from fiction. So our first passive income myth is that passive income is just too good to be true. You may have come across ads or articles promising overnight riches, but let's set the record straight. Passive income is achievable, but it requires a balanced perspective and a solid strategy. While it won't make you an instant millionaire, it can provide a sustainable and rewarding income stream with the right strategies and dedication and work that you put in. Myth number 2 is that passive income requires zero effort. Well, that is far from true. Passive income does take work. In fact, it takes a lot of work, especially in the initial stages. Creating valuable content, setting up systems, and promoting your products require effort. However, the magic lies in optimizing and automating the processes to create a solid income stream that can run for you whether you're working or not, so that down the road you can have less and less engagement with that process. The third myth is that only tech-savvy individuals can reap the rewards of passive income. The majority of people that I talk to are terrified of tech. They are intimidated by tech. Their biggest fear is having some system that they don't know how to control because they don't get the tech. But I can assure you that you can build your own passive income system and not have a ton of complicated tech. The tools that we have access to today are so easy. They're literally drag and drop, and they tell you what to do step by step. And these software companies know this. They know that people struggle with technology, so they do the best they can to give you support and make the process of using their tool as easy as possible because they want you to keep using their tools. Now, it is true that you're gonna have to try a couple of different tools to find which interface you like the most, but as a reminder, that is part of the work. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, with the right guidance, you can put together a beautiful passive income system that isn't complicated. Here's a system that I've learned and I use to this day. It all starts with getting discovered online. It could be through blogging, social media, podcasting, YouTube, or advertisement as well. And inside of that content that is valuable, you offer something to people to get them onto your email list. As soon as they opt in, you have a handful of emails that you send to them over the course of a couple of days that adds more value, it builds more trust, and ultimately invites them to pick up a product that you have, which you use a sales page and a checkout page for, and then you just have to deliver that product. Myth number 4 is that passive income is based on luck and that it's a game of chance, and that is false. See, when I started trying to create passive income, I was using online courses and ebooks, and I was creating these different products, but I could only ever sell them on the phone as a part of a sales call or just a one-off sale. I could never sell it passively. In fact, it took me 6 online courses and about 3 different ebooks until I finally sold an online course completely passively, and I'll never forget the day. I remember waking up in the morning, just another normal day after I had launched my course and my whole new system. I sat down, I was like, fingers crossed, please, I hope this thing sells. Logging into my dashboard, I saw that I made $197 overnight completely passively. I freaked out, almost gave my girlfriend a heart attack, and when I looked into my dashboard to see if I had known this person or spoke with them before, I had never recognized their name. So this entire sale was a matter of me getting discovered online, sending a couple of emails, and the person paid me $200 while I was sleeping. A few weeks later, after getting the system set up, I made another sale at $297, which was the second tier of the same product. And since then, it's been able to snowball. Passive income isn't luck. It is a matter of persistence, hard work, consistency, and having a really solid strategy. And then over time, you refine it until it does work. That's what paved the way for my success. And if you want to learn more about creating passive income, I put together a 5-step guide that will show you how to earn your first $500 per month of passive income. It's completely free, and there's a link down in the description if you want to check that guide out. Myth number 5 is the misconception that passive income demands a significant financial investment in order to make it work. And while that's sad to hear, it's just not true. To create a really good passive income stream, it is going to require a little bit of capital. It is going to take an investment. But there are countless low cost and even free tools available for you to create your own passive income system. That way you can start small, and as you start start to make a little bit of money and gain more experience and knowledge around how the system works, you can build it up over time and scale it into something bigger down the road. In fact, you can build your entire online business with under $100. Now, if you're low on funds, but you still want to create and sell your own online courses and you're interested in how to do it for free, you're going to want to check out this video. Take what you learned here, get out there, make something happen, and I will see you in the next one.